For existing infrastructure, there is no major concern, but I wanted to know that what is the depth of excavation you are anticipating, Santosh?
That someone from structure or civil can confirm for the fencing if it is required.
Construction and structure from ILF team or who's
ILF,
team?
ILF. Sujay, I think Sujay is there.
Okay, so let me ask you a different question. Meantime, Hanan, can you arrange Mr. Sujay so that we can ask the relevant question? So Santosh, before he comes, why we are going to do an excavation for making some additional foundation or installing?
No, for fencing only. That modification will be there for the fencing.
Okay.
And Santosh, there are no additional supports requiring any excavation for new pedestals or foundation, right?
Some one or two wells will require additional supports. For that purpose also maybe foundation will be not foundation but maybe pedestal is required. But Sujay can confirm on that how much depth it is required.
Chairman, you continue discussion. I will join quickly. I am also in other meeting. If any HS point, just park it. I will join back shortly.
Sure, Rakesh. Thank you. Let's get to install the pedestal.
It's the pipe support, not pedestal. Pipe support. You can mention pipe support. Pipe supports and fence.
Fence I written. And excavation permit EXCA VA excavation PER permit will be obtained.
So Jay is on site today, so I will